Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming a few essentials. Your device must run a supported Android version and have Google Play services available. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi and charge to at least half so updates won't interrupt. If the Play Store was removed intentionally or by error, you may need to reinstall using a trusted APK. Enable unknown sources briefly only when required. Make sure you know the device model and Android build, because the correct Play Store and Play Services packages depend on those details. Next, manually restore the core packages in the right sequence to avoid errors. Install Google Services Framework, then Google Play Services, and finally, the Google Play Store APK. Use the variant that matches your CPU architecture and Android API level, because mismatches cause crashes. After each major install, clear data for the package installer and optionally for Google Play Services. Then reboot the device to let the system register each package. If signature or installation blocked, you may need to enable installer permissions in settings. Finally, open the Play Store and sign in with your Google account. Accept the terms and allow the app to update itself. Once installed, grant necessary permissions and let Google Play Services complete background setup. If you see persistent errors like Google Play Services keeps stopping, clear cache and data for both Play Store and Play Services, then reboot and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: if installations fail repeatedly, check for pending system updates or consider a factory reset only after backing up data, because that resolves deep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.